Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Emily. I'm a 27-year-old flight attendant for a major US airline. I currently live in Dallas, Texas. This is a 4-day flight attendant trip and I'm going to take you along with me. Coco June. These Wella bars. And my biodegradable little meal prep containers. So these are my homemade veggie patties with kale, some tahini Caesar, forbidden black rice, and some shredded carrots. And then I have these mushroom soba noodles. I don't know if you can see it, with some sesame seeds. Everything's dairy-free, gluten-free. Everything here is vegan, but I'm also going to be bringing some salmon. These are my pumpkin spice protein waffles. Look how delicious that looks. Thank you for joining me. How are you? How are you doing? I know you might be going through something hard, but you're not alone. You're loved. I love you. I see you. I'm thankful for you. And if no one told you today, you're doing great and it's gonna get better. But I'm gonna see you in the morning. I am tired, so good night. They put little chocolates on each pillow. I have never been to a hotel with work that does that. Stop. It's so cute. I've never had an espresso machine in this cute little drawer in a hotel room. Well, for work. I just went downstairs to get a disposable cup because they have these, and I'm sorry, but I just don't want to put my mouth on that. But let's save money together. I don't need to spend all my money on matcha when I make a really amazing matcha and I have my favorite healthy milk. So let's make a matcha together. I'm obsessed with this milk frother. It's literally the best. This milk, nothing beats it. The ingredients and flavor. I wish you guys could smell my pumpkin spice waffles. Let's dig into these glorious waffles with 20 grams of protein. Not in each one, but in the mix. Hey guys, good morning. I'm in Toronto and I'm happy to be here. So I'm just gonna Uber and go to this place called the Nut Bar. It's organic, plant-based, and they make their own nut milk in-house. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and then we'll see what else we can get into. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a good day. I will see you at the Nut Bar place. Okay, so I decided to walk a little bit, but I swear my throat feels weird and it's like messing with my allergies. But I just stopped by this place called Impact Kitchen. It's 100% gluten-free and they had a ton of vegan options. I got some grab-and-go food for later. Now I'm walking to this place called What a Bagel. They have the gluten-free bagels. So I'm gonna do that for my breakfast, lunch, brunch. Guys, I'm back in my room. I just wanted to show you the stuff that I got. A kale Caesar salad from Impact. This sweet potato noodle bowl with like a tahini dressing. And then I couldn't pass this up in the place I got my matcha, the Nut Bar. It's chocolate hazelnut butter. It's like a healthy take on Nutella. Ari's really gonna love this. And I got a gluten-free bagel. Anytime I can find a gluten-free and vegan bagel, I'm in heaven. I'm gonna eat this, shower, get dressed, and go back to Dallas. What are you guys up to? I don't want to just talk about myself. Tell me about yourself in the comments because I care.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. If you enjoy my content, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. And if you have any recommendations or requests for future videos, stay tuned for Disney next week. And then after that, hopefully a good international trip. It's day 4 for go home day. I'm so ready to be going home. We're going to go from Lexington, Kentucky to Dallas, Dallas to XNA, Northwest Arkansas, and then right back to Dallas. See you guys later. I hope you have a beautiful day because you're amazing.